So I never got to make a video debuting one of my wigs that I had gotten. And I went over this one. She's a short bob. Her name is Brooke from Kylin Hair Collections. I went over a kind of a dirty blonde one. And this one is a nice long brunette, and I absolutely love her. Her name is Linda, and here she is. I've kept her hair straight. I curl my hair most of the time, so all my wigs are curled, but I've kept her straight. So actually my husband and I have nicknamed her Cher because she's nice at long, 22 inches. They have a dark root Linda where it's like, that's just the basic Linda. And she's got a really, really dark, almost like black root. And this is Linda with the lighter root. So it's more of a smooth transition brunette into the brunette with some highlights. But like I said, we call her Cher because she looks like Cher circa 1990s, long hair, I don't know. But oh my gosh, she's so silky smooth. I wore her a few times on our trip and I absolutely love her. So I do use my scar tape, but you have that nice big lace parting area. It's got the 2 side combs and I leave those in. I don't use them, but I could take them out. I just don't because I don't even notice them. And then of course it has that back comb, and I do use the back comb. I tuck it underneath my wig grip, and then it has the adjustable adjuster straps. I have a pretty small head. I've measured it. It's like 21.5 circumference, but one of my areas is even smaller. So I find that if I adjust it to like the level 2, it fits really nice and snug on my head. And that's what I have this one adjusted to as well. So this is Linda with a light root, AKA Cher, and I will put it on so that you can see. My first wig off, I'm gonna put this one on. Now I did change the part when I got her. Pretty much all wigs come with a center part, unless it's from a company where you can request a smaller part or a side part, but I went ahead and moved this one. And here she is. This is pretty close to like my bio hair. So when I pull things forward, it just literally blends right in. Sometimes I use some fibers to kind of thicken up this really, really light area, whereas some of my hair loss is clearly at play. I'm just gonna kind of get some of these return hairs out of the way and get her right where I want her. And here she is. I mean, it just blends so seamlessly. And I'll do a full turn. And she's very comfortable. I love her very, very much. At some point, I'm sure I'll curl her, maybe after that first wash. But for right now, she's staying straight and I'm just putting her in the mix to mix it up. If you guys have any questions about the company that I order my wigs through or any of the details, most of my wigs are between 120% or 130% density. I believe this Linda light root is 130% density because she was a pre-order, so I specified. She also comes in with some custom layers and the company provides that. I didn't have her layered, but I really like how it looks, and especially when I curl it, it looks even nicer. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If myself can't answer, there's always a wig sister that's willing to kind of jump in and help out.